welcome to End of the Year Drama Challenge Day 29. And today we are going to talk about 2024 K-drama na excited ako mapanood. Actually, medyo madami sila. Una na dyan yung Dead Game Part 2. Nabitin tayo, di ba? So I'm waiting sa January 5 na to. Next is this Netflix K-drama, The 8. Parang 2022 ko pa ata narinig tong K-drama na to. So I'm patiently waiting na sana maaga na to ipalabas. Is yung comeback K-drama ni Bae Suzy at ni Won Bin. So I'm waiting for that. Wala pa masyadong update pero I feel like next year to ipapalabas. I'm also waiting na rin sa comeback K-drama ni Park Shin-ye at ni Park Hyun-sik. I think sa January din to ipapalabas. Squid Game Season 2 and 3, sana next year na ipalabas. Also, I'm waiting for Lee Min-ho's comeback K-drama sa Korean TV. So, I'm waiting sana ipalabas na next year. And of course, yung mga K-drama na hinihintay ko sa mga favorite Hallyu actors and actresses na like Nam Gong-min and Song Ye-kyo.